Today we're at KelRae Farm and we are packing 200 Ship Chef kits filled with local produce. This is a cooking challenge where you get everything but the birds. So that means that you're getting fresh produce from KelRae Farm. They've got sweet potatoes, apples, winter squash, some green tomatoes, some collards, and then cranberries and stuffing. And the kids make inventive side dishes for Thanksgiving. This program is about teaching kids the life skill of cooking with healthy, locally grown vegetables.
It's a great experience to be able to educate people, to let them know exactly where their produce is coming from.
And the whole family is also benefiting from this whole experience. Siblings are wearing their little chef hats together and cooking together.
I hope all of the students that participated with Ship Chef this time around learn to try some vegetables that they've not had before, to get in the kitchen and really explore and realize just how simple it truly is to prepare some of your, local seasonal fall flavors.
We have families that said, this is the first time my child cooked and now they love cooking. Kids who are creating their own dishes with the ingredients that they've been given pretty much by themselves. They're really exploring these foods in a hands-on way and making it personal and almost developing a connection to these vegetables. That translates into them actually tasting and trying and loving these healthy dishes. And hopefully, continuing to eat these great foods the rest of their whole lives.
It is just a great experience to be able to share what we have. We would love for any of you all to come out for a visit. Come see us.